Is your Ninja Espresso leaking water onto the counter or under the machine? Whether it's dripping during brewing or sitting idle, let's track down the cause and fix it fast. Step 1. Check the water tank placement. Remove the tank and reseat it firmly. If it's not locked in all the way, water can leak around the seal and pool underneath. Step 2. Inspect the tank and valve for damage. Look for cracks in the tank or debris around the rubber valve. If it's warped, stuck open, or worn out, it may leak constantly. Clean the valve area with a damp cloth before reinstalling. Step 3. Examine the drip tray and internal reservoir. Overflowing tray? Empty and rinse it. Some users think there's a leak when it's just a full drip tray catching normal runoff. Step 4. Check for leaks during brewing only. If water only leaks while brewing, it could be from an improperly seated pod, basket, or portafilter. Make sure everything's locked in before starting. Step 5. Look for steam wand leaks. If connected, check the steam wand and its connection point. If it's dripping constantly or leaking during heat up, the internal valve may need cleaning or replacement. Still leaking after these steps? It might be a faulty valve, cracked tank, or internal seal issue. Support link is in the description if you need a replacement or repair. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.